The idea of being a soulpreneur is really just creating from your heart. It's not that complicated. It's really easy. It's being vulnerable. It's allowing for things to flow through you. It's trusting the community around you to provide everything that you need, when all you have to do is ask for it, and trust that when you're in your true soul power, completely connected to source, like we are, a lot of us, every day, you know, from the ground to the sky and everything in between, everything around that provides for us, that comes straight through us in the work that we do here. When we deliver that level of authenticity, that level of quality in our products, in our services, in our programs, in our teachings, and we truly embody that, know that we're protected. Nothing the Great Spirit creates is bad. Everything that flows through us is beautiful and good. It's just up to us whether we're going to embrace that and share it.
I feel like Maggie is an amazing coach, and she won't let us get by with not showing up. So I felt like I was kind of forced to show up in a way that cracked some shells within me and helped me dive deeper than I ever had before in really finding out what it is I'm showing up for with my business, what it is that I'm trying to reach the world with, and how really in my truth I can reach from my heart to their hearts and be a pure, authentic messenger of what it is that I have to bring.
It is you. You're just a representation of it. You get to go out into the world and frolic and create it and have fun doing it and attract the people you like to do it with and the people you like to enjoy it.
My name is Natalie Henrich. I'm a doctor in Oriental medicine and I specialize in acoustical medicine. The name of my company is Orenda on Court. I came to the Soulpreneur's journey because I felt in my heart that it's going to be transformational for me. I experienced at the Soulpreneur's journey the most amazing transformation for my business. I realized about my soul's purpose in the Soulpreneur's journey, that I am really 1,000% committed to my mission to bring yoga and sound meditation to children's schools. I realized how much I am on the right path.
The Soulpreneur's journey is about creating a position for your brand, product, for your services, so that when you step forth as a brand, as a product, as a service, everybody knows who you are.
My business is centered around providing education, resources, and tools to youth that are either on their way to prison, in prison, or getting out of prison. The tools that I give them are techniques and strategies that I've been able to cultivate over a period of time, because I in fact was my first.
Right? Because you took all that soul power, all that passion for wellness, goodness, and the impact on the world through you, through your company culture, into the products that you sell, and landed it on people connecting to the value, connecting to their needs for that value. When you have to cancel a class because your kids are sick or the instructor didn't show up, and the parents go, no problem. Can't wait to come to the next one. Why? Because there's so much value and love and connection and contribution in what you're doing. They're your fan. You got them. They love you. They vibe on the highest frequency for you, with you. Love. That's what it's all about. Love.
My experience at the Soulpreneur's journey was enlightening. I learned exactly what my client base needed I learn the values that they're going to feel from the service that I'm going to deliver to them. And I learn what human needs that are being met from these services that I'm delivering. It allows me to know exactly how I need to market and how I need to engage my audience to get the maximum results for my business to go forward.
I'm Lisa Freeney, the founder of Lisa's Lemonade. If I were to explain to someone what they could expect to experience when they came to the Soulpreneur journey, I would say the word surprise. Expect to be surprised because there is so much packed into these 3 days that it's just layers of information and expansion, even in my own heart, for my business, for my purpose, for what I'm doing in the world, and for my customer. It was really surprising at how much I was able to tap into that power.
Here to dive even deeper into that and make some even further connections with the people that you serve, because that's what it's all about, love and connection. We can love and connect to other human beings who are just reflections of us. We raise the entire vibration of humanity, the planet, everything, all the way up. So thanks again for coming on the Soulpreneur's journey this weekend. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of you, and I'm so proud of this. This really fuels my heart. I was born to lead and inspire others to lead. Thank you.